Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's both useful and a bit tricky. How to view your Messenger password in 2025. With the latest updates to apps like Facebook Messenger, security features have gotten even tighter, so let's break this down step by step to keep things safe and straightforward. First off, why would you need to view your password? Maybe you've forgotten it or want to double check for security reasons. Remember, directly viewing passwords isn't always possible due to privacy protections, but we'll cover the best methods available in 2025. To start, open your Messenger app on your device. If you're on a mobile, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, scroll down to Account Settings and select Password and Security. Here, you'll need to verify your identity, most likely with a fingerprint scan, facial recognition, or a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Once verified, look for the View Saved Passwords option. This is a new feature in 2025 that lets you see a masked version of your password for confirmation purposes. Now, if you're using the web version on a computer, head to the Messenger website, log in with your current credentials, and click on the gear icon for settings. Navigate to Security and Login, then select where you're logged in. From there, you can manage your passwords, but again, it might show as asterisks for security. To actually view it, you'll have to go through a verification process, like entering a code from an authenticator app. A quick word of caution: never share your password with anyone, and avoid writing it down in insecure places. In 2025, with advanced cyber threats, using a password manager is highly recommended to generate and store strong passwords automatically. That way, you don't have to remember them at all. There you have it. Viewing your Messenger password doesn't have to be complicated, but always prioritize your online safety. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.